In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under Alkanols. So guys, we have 10 repeated questions to practice with. In this video, let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following compounds is formed by the oxidation of ethanol? So it's going to be ethanoic acid. So the right answer will be this option A. So this is ethanoic acid, CH3. We have C. This is meant to be COOH. We have 2 atoms of oxygen here. So it's option A. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following compounds reacts readily with sodium to liberate hydrogen? So the one will be this option A. Right, that has OH group in it. So that is for this question. The next repeated question with this one, it says, which of the following compounds is secondary alkanol? So the one that is secondary alkanol would be this one that is having is II, guys. Basically this compound II, option C only. So that's it for this question. The next repeated question with this one, it says, which of the following is a secondary alkanol? So this one that has OH group in between them, option C. The next question with this one, it says, which of the following is correct about both compounds shown below? So this shows that they have identical physical properties. No, they are structural isomers. No, they are dyes to alkanols. No, their general molecular formula is the same. Yeah, option D is the right answer. The next big question with this one, it says, a tertiary alkanol has the molecular formula of this. What is the structural formula of the compound? So the structural formula of the compound will be is option D, that has OH group in between. Alright, so the next question will be this one. What is the organic product of the reaction of this acidified this is potassium chromate 6 thereabouts? Yeah, so the right answer would be ethanoic acid, option A. So that will be the products. Next question will be this one. Which of the following compounds can be represented by molecular formula? So this is the right answer would be ethanol, option B. Alright, the next question will be this one. It says, the alkanol obtained from the production of soap is, so guys, take note of this question, is trihydric alkanol. Alright, very important. The last question before I end this video will be this one. So this is trihydric alkanol. The last one will be this one. It says alkanols can be manufactured from alkenes by the initial reaction of alkenes with. The right answer will be option D, concentrated tetraoxosulfate acid. So guys, this is basically going to be problems involving alkanols for your chemistry classes with about 8 to 10 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button where we get premium information that will help you to excel in your next exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.